Tired of marketing campaigns that feel like shouting into the void? Then stick around, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to run a laser-focused campaign using Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is your control center. Click on Create Campaign to start a new project. Give your campaign a clear and descriptive name, like Summer Sale Promotion. Now, let's define your target audience. Aisensy offers powerful segmentation options. You can target users based on demographics, past interactions, custom attributes, or even upload a CSV file of contacts. It's time to craft your message. Use Aisensy's drag-and-drop editor to create engaging messages. Include compelling text, eye-catching images, or even videos. Remember to personalize your message for better results. Automate your campaign by scheduling your messages. Choose a specific date and time, or set up triggers based on user behavior. For instance, send a welcome message to new subscribers. Finally, track your campaign performance using Aisensy's analytics dashboard. Monitor key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to optimize your future campaigns, and that's it. With Aisensy, you can create, automate, and track successful marketing campaigns that actually deliver results.